Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry I haven't been on for a while, just holiday times are busy, and to be honest with you, I have not felt much like crafting lately. I have crafted a little bit. I had to make, I don't know if you remember, in the Crafty Christmas collab I made 7 tea bag holders, and I wanted to try and make hot chocolate pocket ones. I needed to make more tea bag holders because I had used 2 and I needed some more for my neighbor, so I was able to so actually I used up more of that paper pad, which I'm going to continue to do, and then B, I did a prototype which I wasn't happy with, and then I did this one which I am more happy with, and it fits 3 hot cocoa packets. These go to a smaller tea bag one. So yeah, I figured it out, and I will share that in a separate video at some point on how to make the hot chocolate packets, okay? The hot chocolate holders. So I'll do that in a future video. I might want to make another 1 or 2 and play around with them a little bit. But what I'm here for today is open days 10, 11, and 12 of the 12 days of Christmas gifts that Paige, who is Stamp Girl here on YouTube, stmpgrl, gifted to me. I never got around to opening days 10, 11, and 12 on the 24th, like I told you I would. Today is the 27th, just between Christmas events and, you know, wrapping, cooking, visiting, etc. I just didn't get around to it. And then also, yesterday I have to get organized in 2020, so I wanted to start, and I started with one specific little thing in my jewelry business area, and it took me a day and a half to do it, and I'm not done because I ran out of the containers I was using. I have more, but just anyway, it's a long story. I have a lot of work to do, and it's going to be a gradual process, but 2020 is the year this house and this girl is going to get organized, one little baby step at a time, because I have to fit it in, but I'm going to do it unless something else major comes up. This is the year. Okay, with that, let's open 10 in this pretty paper that has holly leaves and other leaves on it. Tissue paper. So we're, oh, look at that, the tape peeled right off of it. Isn't that nice? I like that. I can reuse the paper. Oh, I did manage to also re-ink both of my Memento Tuxedo black ink pads, my Stays On black ink, and my Versamark ink pad. So yay for me. There's a couple colors that need to be re-inked too, but I'll do them in a future point. Ooh. Ooh. Paige, my friend. Wow. Ooh. Aww. She put hugs, love, and peace on. That's what I always say. Oh, and I am a huggy person. I'm a hugger. So, and I wish we had a little more peace in the world, but, you know, we don't. And sadly, we haven't since the beginning of time, it seems like, and I don't think we ever will. Sad to say. But anyway, look at this beautiful tassel out of all these ribbons. Oh, she's got little buttons actually sewn on them, some of them. That's a cute idea. Got rickrack and ribbon of all different kinds, which actually, you know, might get used, but not right away. This is gorgeous. I love this. Look. Oh my gosh. She's got a Santa Claus bingo card up here. That's really cool. And then, oh, I just watched somebody else open something. I thought, who was it? Mama Rann's Corner? No, couldn't have been. I don't know. Somebody else just opened one of these, and I thought, how cute are these little embellishments? I love them. Thank you so much. I was like envious of that person for having those little things. And then we have some wooden Christmas trees. They're actually on twine or string, or some string, I think. And they're really pretty. They have like little stars carved out of them. I don't know if you can see that. Really pretty. So we have some of those. And then we have Deck the Halls with boughs of holly. Some of these little tags. Oh, and the other side's all glittery. Look at that. That's pretty. Never saw those before. And then we've got some other ones in here. Have a Holly Jolly Christmas. And they have red glitter on the back. And Tidings of Comfort and Joy. And It's the Most Wonderful Time of Year. These I'm going to have to use throughout the year, I think. Or next year. And some stars. They're like a green buffalo check almost. And then red glitter on the back. Really cute. And then some snowflakes too. Red and cream with green on the back. Green glitter. Really pretty. These are really cute. I've never seen these before. Oops. Really pretty. Thank you, Paige. This is going to go right in my Christmas. I have a standing drawer unit thing from Michael's that has a bunch of iris cases. And if I have room, now this sort of looks like an old Stampin' Up! One. This does not. Thank you very much for these beautiful snowflakes. Yeah, this one does not either, unless they're pre my time. So there's a couple of those. Those would make nice necklace charms or something. Oh, look at these cute ones. These would make cute little earring ones. They're like ship's wheels or snowflakes. And then we have this. These ones are like flowers. They're pretty too. Flat on the back. Really pretty. Thank you, thank you. Love, love. Now this one doesn't have a hole on it for like a charm, but the others do. Cool. Love, love. I really like those little ones a lot. And these with the bling. Look at all the bling. Boom, boom. And then we have some silver and gold stars. Okay, they have sticky dimensionals on. See, I got some stays on ink, or maybe it's Memento. I don't know. I thought I wiped it off good or washed it off good, but apparently whatever it was didn't come off super good. And then silver ones. And red and green tassels, and silver and gold tassels. And look at these little itty bitty bells. Aren't these cute? Oops. They wanted to escape. There's red and gold and silver if I can pick them up. Aren't they cute? And they have a little jingle to them, but not a lot. Those are cute. Those are a cute size. I like those. Oops. I have some, but they're bigger. Oh, look at these little gingerbread girl and boy. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. And these too with the icing on. They're buttons. Those are buttons. These are not. I don't think these are. No, these are not. Or if they were, they're not anymore. These are cute. They're backed with white and they're 2-hole buttons. Really cute. I likey. And then of course we have the gingerbread house, and then a parent gingerbread person. Really cute. Love them all. And I bought those gingerbread dies, but I haven't used them yet. And then I have some flare was the word I was looking for in a different video. I couldn't think of, but these are not the pin flares. They're just like them, but they have sticky dots on the back. So we have a ho ho ho, and we wish you a Merry Christmas, and a cheers, or cheer, tidings of comfort and cheer. There we go. Beautiful. Thank you so much, Paige. So that is day 10, which I will be putting in with my Christmas items to use. So we shall see. Okay, now this is day 11, which would have been the 23rd. Looks like an ornament or something. Little jar. If I can find where it's taped. Here we go. Oh, it's an ornament, yes, with a sparkly red metallic string thing, and then all kinds of sequins, and yeah, different sequins. They're really pretty ones. Some pretty. Thank you. I can put that on my tree and keep this to wrap it in when we put our ornaments away. And then the last one, which would be day 24, has this cute little I think it's supposed to be a penguin with a Santa hat on and a scarf. Really cute. And it's got music notes on this paper clip and a piece of lace under it. So cute. Like that. Very sturdy. I haven't made those kind of paper clips, but that's on my 2020 mental list. I'm trying to make a different list and get organized that way too. Oh look, she gave me like the tea bag holder, but instead of tea bags it has tags in it. Isn't that cool? That's a good idea for us crafty people. So peace, love, and joy. See, it's got the I recognize this paper too. This looks like Stampin' Up paper. This looks like cherry cobbler, and I don't remember which paper this is. I think it's from last year, but I recognize it. Yeah. So let me show you the tags. She makes really cute tags too. Oh, look at this. Look at these tiny little pine cones. Aren't they adorable? Good tidings of holiday cheer. And a tiny little bell on a red bow, and it's all on a wood piece, and she's got a little tag that's with stamp to and from on the back. Very nice layering, Paige. You did great. And then this has little sparkly leaves and holly leaves out of a pattern paper, and some little bling on a little twine bow, and some die cut leaves in the back, and I don't know if this was a sticker. It might have been like a double layered sticker because it's like a pine log slice kind of thing, and then Merry Christmas also on a log type thing. And then we have Joy to the World with little acorns. I've been into acorns this year. So cute. And that's also the same like pine or whatever kind of log, and some other greenery in the background. The wood looks like it's been splattered with maybe red or metallic. I don't know. It sort of looks red, but it looks like it has gold on it too. Metallic ink. And then the twine, jute. I think that's jute. I don't know. I get them mixed up. So yeah, really cute tags. So they were in the little accordion pack. So thank you so much, Paige. I really appreciate that. Very cute. Another idea to use. So thank you for that idea. And a nice craft bag here with the 12 on it. I really enjoyed everything you made. It's just lovely. I'm not going to get everything back out to show it because I have things either downstairs or in a box right now because I have no room as usual. Alright guys, I'm going to get off for now, and I'm going to come back with just to show you a few things I got in the mail. Oh, and before I do that, I do want to thank also those of you who sent me Christmas cards. They're downstairs with my other Christmas cards, but Crafty Kitty Jen, I think it is. Jennifer, thank you. Maria's Miscellany, thank you, Maria. And there may have been another one or two. So thank you everybody who sent me. I know Nyx had done that in her package she sent me. So anyway, thank you very much everyone. My cards only went to family this year. I just ran out of time. And hopefully they got them, you know, the day before Christmas or so. Anyway, alright everyone, thank you so much. Have a great day, and I'll be back in a little bit. Bye for now. Hugs, love, and peace.